guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge. I'm super excited, never done anything like this before. I mean, usually when I'm in the rush I can do my makeup within like 25 minutes, I would say. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting of how much shit I can get done in 10 minutes. I have some lashes, some mascara, you know, foundation, all that stuff. So yeah, I guess let's get started. I'm actually kind of terrified to do this, so alright. Alright, I'm gonna set a timer on my phone. Alright, pressing the button right now. Okay. Alright, what am I gonna do? Pure Elise Blue Lotus Moisturizing Cream. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit of this, put that all over my face. I always use this on my daily routine, so I'm just gonna do... We're trying to do like a glam look with this in 10 minutes. So I don't know how good this is gonna go. Alright, that's for the moisturizer. Alright, foundation. It's already been like 30 seconds since we started. Oh shit. Alright. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution mascara. Alright, concealer. I mean, not concealer. Jesus, I'm so stressed out right now. Foundation. Alright. I'm gonna spread that all over my face. I think the hardest part is gonna be doing my brows. I literally take like 10 minutes to do my brows by itself, so I don't know how we're gonna do this. Alright, my Morphe sponge. I'm like stabbing my face right now. Also, for anyone wondering what I'm wearing right now, it's the Victoria's Secret like bodysuit things that they have, and this thing was $80 fucking. It's cute, but I mean, the quality of it, surprisingly, I regret paying $80 for it. Alright, blending all this. I don't think this is actually gonna look perfect. I just got foundation in my contact lens and in my eye. Ah, shit. This is not good. I can't see with one of my eyes. I have foundation in my contact lens. Fuck me. Alright, blending now. We're almost done with blending. And I still have freaking foundation in my eye. Great. What a great start. Alright. I think the shit is blended enough. Oh man, I have 8 minutes left. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This shit covers every single little thing. Alright. Yeah. We got this. Got it. Alright. Blending the concealer. I think I put a little too much. That's great. Oh man. Oh, I have 7 minutes and 30 seconds left. This is very stressful, guys. Alright. A little bit of my chin. Damn, this is too pale. Oh my god. I look like a ghost. I thought this concealer would be darker when I bought it, and it's not. Alright. I'm blending everything in. My nose. Alright, that's all for the face. I'm going to take this brush, put Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. Alright, I'm going to have my face in real quick. This is really fucking crushable. Okay. Alright, that's all for the powder. I'm gonna grab the bronzer. Where the hell is the bronzer? Too Faced bronzer. Let me check the timer. 6 minutes and 15 seconds, and I'm not even done with the face. Oh man. Okay. Bronzer. Chin. Forehead. Ah, almost dropped everything. Alright, blush. I'm going to use the Lovecraft blush trio, the Daphne blush that's in the middle. Alright. Ooh, we got this. Alright, that's for the blush. I'm gonna use the Morphe brush setting spray from Fix Plus Milani Highlight. Cupid's bow, nose, side of my face. Ooh, I almost forget how good this highlight is. Shit. Ooh, oh man, I have 5 minutes left. And I didn't even start my brows. I kind of want to take more of this. Alright. Alright. Brows. Alright. I have my Anastasia palette. I have the Makeup Revolution brow pencil. Alright, I got this, guys. I'm so terrified. Okay. I'm doing the brows as best as I can. These are gonna look so bad. Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna brush this shit through. Alright, one brow down. We still have 4 minutes left to do the eyes. Well, actually, the other brow. Oh man. I'm gonna fail at this miserably. Oh man, I already fucked this brow up. Ooh guys, this brow's thicker than the other. Okay. Oh, boy. Alright, fuck it. Whatever. This brow, done. Okay. Alright. 3 minutes to do the eyes and the lashes. Alright, I'm gonna take the Anastasia palette, mix these two shades in. Oh man. I got this. I got this. I'm gonna put this pink shade all over the lid. Alright, I'm gonna just... Ah, I'm not gonna have enough time for this. Oh man. I'm pretty sure I'm already running out of time. Alright, eyes, lashes. Alright, I'm gonna put glue on. How many minutes do we have left? I still need to put a lipstick. I have 2 minutes left, guys. Oh man, I'm gonna fail miserably. Alright, putting glue on this. Alright. Ah, man. Glue. Our lashes are drying. While the lashes are drying, we have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. And this lipstick does not match. Ooh. Yeah, this color does not match this makeup look. So I'm just gonna put this gloss. Alright, lipstick's on. Let me check the lashes. Oh, they're still drying. We have a minute left. Oh boy. Alright, I'm popping these on without mascara. Alright, one lash is done. Oh, this shit is not wanting to stick now. Alright. Alright, lashes on. Mascara, mascara, mascara. Bottom lash. Alright. We ran out of the time. Oh man. This makeup look looks like terrible. Alright. We made it in 10 minutes. This is how much I got done. My whole face, highlight, eyes. This lipstick with this does not match, so I'm just gonna put maybe this one on. Oh, that does not match either. I guess this is the finished makeup look. I mean, let me do a little close-up for you guys, how the eyes look. They look so bad. I mean, the skin is fine. Like, the rest of my face is fine. My brows, let's just not talk about it. The eyelashes, they look like shit. Like, what is this, guys? Like, the eyeshadow, I should have grabbed a different palette that was next to me because this does not match. I was trying to go for like a hot pink and I thought I would have more time to like match it with the shirt, but I guess not. Maybe just put a little bit more highlight on my shoulders to, you know, make this a little bit better. Yeah. So I guess this is the finished look. Me trying to do my makeup in 10 minutes, which is fail. Please don't try this at home, guys. It will end up looking like shit if you try to do your makeup in like 10 freaking minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little different. I tried something new and probably never gonna do this again. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. I'll have that link down below. And check out my latest video right over here on top. And if you want to know how I also got the Kim K Met Gala makeup look, here's another link for the video right on the top. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.